welcome all of you in SST College of Arts and Commerce. This is SST Edopedia. I am Ramandeep Kaur, Assistant Professor in SST College of Arts and Commerce. Today, we will discuss equation of stationary wave on a stage string. Here, we have considered the two simple harmonic progressive wave of equal amplitude and wavelength lambda propagating on a long uniform string in opposite direction. Dear students, here we have to consider the two simple harmonic progressive wave which has the two same amplitude, equal amplitude and the same wavelength propagate on a long uniform string in opposite direction. The equation of wave traveling along the x-axis in the positive direction is y1 equals to a sine 2 pi nt minus x upon lambda, y2 equals to a sine in bracket 2 pi nt plus x upon lambda. First of all, we have to consider the two simple waves which has the same amplitude. हमको दो वेव कंसिडर करनी है जिसकी एम्पलीट्यूड क्या है, सेम, and the wavelength is also same and propagating on a long uniform string in opposite direction. This equation of the wave traveling along the x-axis in the positive direction is y1 equals to a sine 2 pi nt minus x upon lambda, y2 equals to a sine 2 pi nt plus x upon lambda. ये जो y1 है और y2 क्या है, ये हार्मोनिक प्रोग्रेसिव वेव ऑफ इक्वल एम्पलीट्यूड और वेवलेंथ के इक्वेशंस है. When this wave interfere, the resultant displacement of a particles of a string is given by the principle of superposition of wave as y1 equals to y1 plus y2. Dear students, here we have to calculate the resultant of the displacement of the particle. So how can you calculate? When you will add these two terms, then we will get the final equation which is called as y. So we are adding y1 plus y2. Write down the equation of y1 plus y2. y1 equals to what? A sine 2 pi nt minus x upon lambda plus a sine 2 pi nt plus x upon lambda. By using sin c plus sin d equals to 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. Dear students, we have to calculate the sin c plus sin d formula. So ये formula we have to using a sin 2 pi nt minus x upon lambda plus a sin 2 pi nt plus x upon lambda. y1 में क्या है, माइनस एक्स अपॉन लैम्डा, y2 में क्या है, एंटी एक्स प्लस अपॉन लैम्डा. ये इक्वेशन में आपको you have to remember that is a minus and the plus sign, and after that we are using the sin c plus sin d. Then 2 sin c plus d upon 2 cos c minus d upon 2. So first of all, you have to calculate, you have to write down what is the value of c. After that we will write the what is the value of d. That is c is what, nt minus x upon lambda, comma d equals to nt plus x upon lambda. The easy method is what? First we will calculate the c plus d by 2. After that we will calculate the c minus d by 2. Find out the value of c plus d by 2 and find out the value of c minus d by 2. When we will get the value of c plus d by 2 and the c minus d by 2 and substitute in equation 1 and find out the final equation. Then c plus d. What is the value of c? c is nt minus x upon lambda and d is what? nt plus x upon lambda. So substitute c plus d and calculate them. nt minus x upon lambda, which is the value of c, plus nt plus x upon lambda, which is the value of d. Now minus x upon lambda and plus x upon lambda, this is a plus and the minus term. So which is cancelled out, the remaining term is what? Nt plus nt, which is equals to 2nt. So c plus d by 2. Here we have find out the value of c plus d. That is c plus d equals to what? 2nt. Put the value of 2nt divided by 2. 2 is what? Cancel out. That is the c plus d divided by 2 which is equals to nt. तो यहाँ पे मुझे क्या मिला? c plus d divided by 2 equals to nt, which is the value of c plus d upon 2. Similar, we can find out the value of c minus d by 2. Let's do it. c minus d equals to nt minus x upon lambda minus in bracket nt plus x upon lambda. Dear students, when you will open this bracket, the plus sign is converted into the negative sign, and the negative sign should be converted into the positive sign. Now here we have opened this bracket, that is nt minus x upon lambda minus nt minus x upon lambda. जो प्लस साइन था वो माइनस साइन में कन्वर्ट हो गया. देन nt is a positive and minus nt it is negative. Then nt and minus nt is cancelled out. The remaining part is minus 2 x upon lambda, and which is the value of c minus d. So c minus d divided by 2 equals to minus 2 x upon minus 2 lambda, which is equals to x upon lambda. Means 2 is cancelled out. The remaining part is what? Minus x upon lambda. c minus d divided by 2 equals to minus x upon lambda. So 2 sin c plus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2, which is a formula which we have to apply y1 plus y2, and we have to calculate the resultant vector. So we can written 2a sin 2 pi nt minus x upon lambda plus a sin 2 pi in bracket nt plus x upon lambda. ये 2a sin 2 pi nt minus x upon lambda, which is the value of y1, and a sin 2 pi nt plus x upon lambda, which is the value of y2. Now here we have applying the sin c and sin d formula. So applying 2a sin 2 pi nt, 2 pi nt cos minus 2 pi x upon lambda. Dear students, here we have substitute the value of c plus d by 2, which is the value of nt, and the c minus d by 2 is equals to what? Minus x upon lambda. So directly we have put here. So we will get 2a sin 2 pi nt cos minus 2 pi x upon lambda. So cos minus theta is what? Cos theta. The angle is what? Cos minus 2 pi x upon lambda. So we can write 2a in bracket sin 2 pi nt cos 2 pi x upon lambda. ठीक है. Cos minus theta क्या होता है? Cos theta. So here what? The cos minus 2 pi x that is 2 pi x upon lambda. Here the minus sign is written. So the next equation is become the cos 2 pi x upon lambda, because the cos minus theta is what? Cos theta. So 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda we can write in the common bracket, and the outside we can write sin 2 pi nt. एक ब्रैकेट में हम क्या लिखेंगे? 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda, and the other term is what? The sin 2 pi nt. That is a is equals to 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda. ये जो 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda है, here we have considered which is the value of a, means a equals to 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda. So instead of 2a cos 2 pi x upon lambda, you can write the capital A. After that you can continue. It means a sine 2 pi nt. Let's see. Y equals to a sine 2 pi nt. Now this is the equation of stationary wave which gives the resultant displacement due to simple harmonic progressive wave. Dear student, here we have to calculate the two simple harmonic waves. The first of all, you have to write out the y1 and the y2. After that, when we are adding these two terms, then you will get the final equation. So how can you get the final equation? That is, first you will add them. After that, we are applying the sin C and the sin D formula. Find out what is the value of C, find out what is the value of D, then C plus D divided by 2, find out the value of them. After that, C minus D by 2 and put in the equation. Then finally we will get the string equation, that is a wave equation. Thank you.